Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make French toast funny. First, consider cutting your bread into whimsical shapes before dipping it in the batter. Next, think about adding some truly unexpected and playful toppings to your finished toast. A colorful presentation can also elevate the humor, making your breakfast a delightful surprise. Finally, don't be afraid to infuse a surprising flavor twist into your batter for an extra giggle. To make your French toast truly funny, start with the bread itself. Instead of plain squares, cut your slices into stars, hearts, or even animal shapes using a sharp knife or cookie cutters. For a different texture and look, try cooking your dipped bread in a waffle iron. The grid pattern adds a fun twist. You can also create adorable mini French toast bites, perfect for tiny hands or a playful presentation on a skewer. Once your funny French toast is cooked, it's time for playful toppings. Use sliced fruit, berries, and whipped cream to create silly faces or characters on each piece. Drizzle colorful syrups like strawberry or blueberry in abstract patterns or zigzags for an artistic, humorous flair. For extra sparkle, sprinkle on some edible glitter or a generous amount of rainbow sprinkles. A small bowl of candy eyes on the side adds a wonderfully goofy element. Beyond visuals, surprise your taste buds with funny flavor twists. Try infusing your batter with unexpected extracts, like almond or even a hint of orange, for a delightful surprise. You can also stuff your French toast with sweet fillings like cream cheese and jam, or even savory options like ham and cheese before cooking. Offer a mystery dipping sauce, perhaps a colorful fruit puree to keep everyone guessing. Finally, present your funny French toast on a whimsical, themed plate to complete the playful experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.